Why should the waste out of landfill be covered each day with soil? Do you know what?
Helps in decomposition. Well, you pretty much answered them, but we have the answers. Landfill is a carefully engineered depression in the ground into which waste is put. Why we have them is to avoid water-related connections between the waste and surrounding environment, particularly groundwater. And each day, the solid waste is covered with soil to reduce rainfall from seeping into the waste and prevent fires, control odors, and prevent flowing litter.
Okay, background of landfills. Landfills are currently the most common way to deal with our waste. About 63% of our solid waste is put into landfills, and unlike the unregular dumps of the past, the amounts and types of waste entering the set and how it's added are regulated in modern landfills.
Okay, locations of the landfills are very important. They need to be away from populated areas, but they need to be accessible by road to transportation vehicles, mainly so dumpsters or so they can get, dump trucks can get. And they're located on flat land, away from surface water, on rocks and soil that does not allow groundwater to flow through it easily.
The 5 points about landfills, they're the most common form of waste disposal. They're constructed very carefully on sites lined to protect the environment so the wastes and chemicals don't get into our drinking water. And they are different from dumps, which are being phased out in the United States because of they're harmful to us. And they are filled by trucks hauling garbage, which we've all seen and know. And they spread it out and cover it with soil, like we've already talked about, in decomposition. And they create gases as the organic material decomposes, and this can be combustible. And the rest of the gas is carbon dioxide, and it can be recovered and used for industrial purposes.
Importance of wineries. Winery prevents from contamination of liquid called pHA, a byproduct of the solid waste from entering the surrounding soils and groundwater.
Okay, we're going to have you make your own landfill.
From the information that I just got off of the PowerPoint, we have soil, clay, gravel, rock, sand, and then filters. And then we have water. And then you can make your little landfill on this thing.
You make it in the top part, and then once your group has decided that that's how you want your landfill, or you decide the materials you use, we'll come around with water and put it in there with food coloring, and we'll see which group's landfill, mock landfill, doesn't allow the harmful chemicals through, or lets the least amount through, which is going to be the water with the red dot. So you have your 4 choices. You can use all of them, you can use one of them, whatever you want, and there's filters if you'd like. So you need to split up into 5 groups. There'll be about 5 or 6 people per group. So go ahead and do that and designate someone to come up and get, or 2 people to come up and get materials.